Yeah. Lil CC on the beat. Yeah. I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark.
Jangan lupa untuk subscribe dan nyalakan lonceng notifikasinya.
They sat with the bars. I got two phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I can tell they ass apart. I got big things coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out the stage. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to.
We always seem to be obsessed with what we can't have. The Audi RS6 has not been sold in the US since 2003. Even when I got my first RS6, it wasn't available as their signature Avant estate model. Audi then decided to unplug his 6 rupees for the second generation in America. For generations the US market has been left out. Why didn't you have access to the brand's most attractive models? 3 generations later, Audi has decided to answer the prayers of its American fans on the 20th anniversary of the 6 rupees. Ultimately, the RS6 would find its way back to the US shores only as his Avant model. What could be more glorious than this? The muscular proportions of a highly functional station wagon are impressive. Few cars can match the RS6 Avant's versatility, luxury and performance. For American customers the wait might have been long, but it was worth it.
Small in a mall with a rat. Roll with us if you really wanna get it. Go get $500,000 in a Sprinter. Phone ringing, bitches know a big tempers. I got the
Audi's RS or Rennsport line is built on a foundation of competition, a brand deeply rooted in motorsport history and resonating to this day. Audi has found a way to transfer its racing DNA to road cars. A prime example of this is the powerful engine in the RS model. The RS6 Avant's 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine is more exciting and efficient than ever. With a monster of 600 horsepower at 6,000 revolutions per minute and a whopping 590 pound-feet of torque at 2,000 revolutions per minute, the RS6 Avant pays homage. The low-end torque is brutal and immediate, and there's no shortage of power anywhere in the power band. Quattro all-wheel drive allows this station his wagon to reach speeds of 100 km/h in 3.6 seconds. He able to power the pavement via his 8-speed automatic transmission. We guarantee you've never seen a faster family car on the road. But the technology doesn't stop there. The RS6 incorporates a mild hybrid system to improve efficiency. This allows the 6 rupees to run entirely on electricity for up to 40 seconds and recharge its energy. Cylinder deactivation is triggered even in low-load situations, turning the Avant into his cylinder. As a result, the Audi station wagon delivers an impressive fuel economy of 20.5 mpg for city and highway combined. If you've ever owned a German twin-turbo V8, you know that in his teens he was lucky to see an MPG.
Yeah. I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead.
Unfortunately, the exhaust sound is too good to step on the gas. When the valves open via Audi Drive Select, the RS6 is immediately felt. His optional $1,000 RS Sport exhaust complements the glorious sound of this V8 engine. But the RS6 offers more than just a breathtaking engine. The RS Adaptive Air Suspension offers the perfect balance between comfort and performance. At speeds above 74.6 miles per hour, the RS6 is 1.2 inches lower than the standard A6 sedan. The $1,250 option is Signature Dynamic Ride Control (DRC). It is a direct integration of motorsport technology and adjustable dampers. If you want the best responsiveness and feel from your RS6 Avant, this is the easy option.
I'm scared of the drop, still on top. These niggas wanna swap, like it's sauce in a watch. I don't
Phone ringing, bitches know I big tempers. I got the hook up and there really no limit. Dead brokers in you nigga DNA. Ricky Smile is indicated with the yay. Nigga just another state case. Bury my motherfucker Chase Bank kinda. Gotta count on my allowance. You niggas snitching so I gotta rewrite it. The nigga flipping like I gotta see $1. Got the truck jumping like time when I'm rebounding. Then I'm out, and I never talk about it. The homie squad, but we all smoke the loudest. Niggas in them really being modest, cause the way I do my deals never treated like a artist. You could DM my account, my DM 6 figures and count. Figures was the goal till I hit it. These niggas ain't living, so bury mine with me, Ross.
When I die, put my money in the grave. Really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just slap every nigga in a wave. Really might tap realest nigga on my face. LCC, the slap with the blades. Used to save hoes with a mask and a cave. Now I'm like, nah, I'm good, gold blade. Ain't about to die with no money out in cave.
Nigga just another state case. Bury my motherfucker Chase Bank kinda. Gotta count on my allowance. You niggas snitching so I gotta rewrite it. The nigga flipping like I gotta see $1. Got the truck jumping like time when I'm rebounding. Then I'm out, and I never talk about it. The homie squad, but we all smoke the loudest. Niggas in them really being modest, cause the way I do my deals never treated like an artist. You could DM my account, my DM 6 figures and count. Figures was the goal till I hit it. These niggas ain't living, so bury mine with me, Ross.
When I die.